One of the hardest decisions you'll ever face in life is choosing whether to walk away or try harder. Just because someone desires you doesn't mean that they value you. Don't be addicted to someone. It's very hard to forget when they leave. When a girl says, "What?" it's not because she didn't hear you. She's just giving you a chance to change what you said. Real depression is when you act like you stop loving the person you love. Listen carefully to how a person speaks about other people to you. This is exactly how they will speak about you to other people. The most confusing feeling is when your mind hates someone, but your heart loves the same person and you don't know what to do. Women often find themselves more attracted to someone with the ability to make them laugh. A man who stays silent after being disrespectful is scary. If your enemy argues with you, the best response is silence, which will hurt him the most.